10 Best Books to Master Personal Finance. Are you looking to take control of your finances and build a strong foundation for financial independence? Whether you're a beginner in personal finance or seeking to expand your financial knowledge, this list of 10 must-read personal finance books will guide you on your journey to financial success. From budgeting strategies to investment tips and building wealth, these books cover every aspect of financial literacy. Stick around as we explore the best books to help you master personal finance. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. One of the most popular financial literacy books ever written, Rich Dad, Poor Dad contrasts two approaches to money, one from Kiyosaki's Poor Dad, who follows the traditional route of job security, and one from his Rich Dad, who focuses on asset building and financial independence. This book will reshape how you think about money and inspire you to prioritize creating wealth over earning wages. Number 2. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a practical guide to managing your money and paying off debt. Ramsey outlines a step-by-step plan to achieve financial freedom, emphasizing the importance of living within your means and avoiding debt traps. If you're looking for a debt-free lifestyle, this is a must-read. Number 3. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Have you ever wondered how millionaires really live? This book explores the habits and traits of self-made millionaires, showing that wealth isn't about flashy cars or extravagant lifestyles, it's about discipline, saving, and investing wisely. It's a great read for those who want to understand the true meaning of financial success. Number 4. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book dives deep into the connection between money and happiness. It encourages readers to rethink their spending habits and align their finances with their values. With actionable steps to reduce expenses, save more, and achieve financial independence, this is one of the best personal finance books for beginners. Number 5. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. While this classic focuses on mindset, it's an essential read for those pursuing financial success. Hill provides 13 principles for achieving wealth, combining goal setting, persistence, and financial strategy. If you want to master both the mental and practical aspects of wealth building, this book is a game changer. Number 6. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. If you're interested in learning how to invest, this book is a timeless resource. Graham, known as the father of value investing, provides strategies for minimizing risks and making smart investment decisions. Even Warren Buffett credits this book as one of his primary influences. Number 7. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This modern favorite focuses on practical money management tips tailored to young professionals. Sethi covers everything from automating your finances and eliminating debt to investing in your future, all with a no-nonsense, humorous approach. Number 8. The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape. An Australian bestseller, this book offers a simple yet effective plan to achieve financial security. Pape breaks down complex financial concepts into easy steps, helping readers budget effectively, pay off debt, and start investing. It's a fantastic pick for anyone looking for a clear and actionable personal finance guide. Number 9. Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier. Sabatier shares his journey from having just $2.26 in his bank account to financial independence in under 5 years. This book is packed with insights on side hustles, saving aggressively, and smart investing to help readers achieve financial freedom at any age. Number 10. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book is a must-read for understanding the emotional and psychological aspects of money management. Housel shares timeless lessons about the behaviors and decisions that impact financial success. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make smarter financial choices. Conclusion. Mastering personal finance isn't just about earning more money, it's about developing the skills to manage it wisely and grow it over time. The books we've covered today provide powerful insights into budgeting, investing, and building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or want to take your finances to the next level, these reads will empower you to take charge of your financial future. Which book are you most excited to read? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success.